Hi to everybody. Today I'm going to introduce a scientific method and I'm going to present an example taken from physics. Scientific method is the method to generate knowledge which is used in natural sciences. It was stated the first time by Galileo in the 16th century. The first stage of a scientific method is raising a research question. Here I have a book, and here, on my other hand, I have a sheet of paper. My research question is, does a book or a sheet of paper fall down to the ground at the same rate? To establish a research question, we have to use physical quantities, which can be measured experimentally. In my example, it is the time taken for any body to reach to the ground. The second stage is the experimental confirmation. I have to make an experiment. So to do that, here I have a book. I'm going to place the sheet of paper on the book and I'm going to test which one of them is going to fall down faster. I'm going to check that both bodies have reached to the ground at the same time. You can wonder why do you place the sheet of paper on the book. This is because there are two variables which can affect to the outcome of the experiment. On the one hand we have gravity, but on the other hand we have the friction caused by the air, which can delay the sheet of paper. We have to make the measurements with the same conditions, which means no friction. To do that, I can place the sheet of paper on the book. Alternatively, we can use a sheet of paper. We can make a tiny ball folding this sheet of paper. When I just drop this ball of paper, I can confirm that it falls to the ground at the same rate as a tiny stone or any other body. Third, I have to state a physical law. In my case is the falling body law, which states that any body, no matter its mass, fall down at the same rate, which means that gravity affects the same to any body, no matter its mass. And finally, with our physical laws or the theories which explain these laws, we can make new predictions and we can state new research questions. For instance, does the altitude of a mountain affect to the gravity? Or is gravity different on the surface of any other planet, etc. So to sum up, the scientific method is the one which is developed in natural science, and it has 4 different stages. First of all, raising a research question using physical quantities which can be measured experimentally. The second stage is the experimental observation, to carry out an experiment to confirm our predictions. Third, stating new physical laws which explain our experimental evidence. And finally, with our physical laws or theories, make new predictions and to raise new research questions. See you soon.